Hello, welcome to the next video of this lecture series. Today we will be learning to multiply polynomials with the help of Vedic Mathematics. But before that, let us understand what polynomials really are. Polynomials are mathematical expressions that contains variables and coefficients. For example, consider x squared plus 2x plus 3. Its degree is 2 as highest power of the variable x is 2. If we had only x squared term, that is only one term, it would be called as monomial. If it had x squared plus 2x, then it would be having two terms, therefore it is termed as binomial, and the entire polynomial, which is x squared plus 2x plus 3, contains three terms, therefore it will be termed as trinomial. All in all these will be called as polynomials. In this video, we will be learning how to multiply these polynomials. We will be using Urdhya Tiryagbhyam Sutra of Vedic Mathematics, which we also discussed in the multiplication video, to multiply polynomials here. Let us jump to our first example. Our first example is x plus 2y multiplied by 3x plus y. Our first step will be to write the variables x and y. Below them, we write the coefficients of the first polynomial, which was x plus 2y. Below them, we write the coefficients of the second polynomial, which are 3 and 1. After this, we will apply the sutra and multiply vertically to get 3 times 1 equals 3. Our next step is to do crosswise multiplication, therefore we multiply 3 by 2 to get 6, and 1 times 1 gives us 1, and we will add these 2. For the last step, we will be having 2 times 1 equals 2. Starting from left, 3 is the coefficient of x square as multiplication is done vertically. For cross multiplication, we will be having xy as the variable, and for the last step, y square will be the variable. Therefore, 6x square plus 7xy plus 2y square is our result. For the next example, we have polynomials of degree 2, that is 2x square plus 4y times 3x square minus 7y. Our first step is again to write the variables x square and y. Below them, we write the coefficients, which are 2 and 4, and below them we write 3 and minus 7, which are the coefficients of the second polynomial. Rest of the procedure will be same as the previous example. Difference is that we will have our first variable as x4, because x square times x square multiplied vertically will give us x power 4. For cross multiplication, we will be having variable x square y, and for the last vertical multiplication, our variable will become y square. Therefore, our answer is 6 into x power 4 minus 2x square y minus 28y square. Till now, we have discussed multiplication of binomials only. Let us now jump to multiplying trinomials. We have 2x square minus 4x plus 6 multiplied by 3x square minus 7x minus 2. Our first step will be to write variables which are x square, x, and x raised to power 0. X raised to power 0 are the variables for the constants 6 and minus 2. As done previously, we will write the coefficients of the polynomials below one another and then start to multiply. This multiplication is similar to 3-digit multiplication as we discussed in the first video of this lecture series. You can see how it is done. If you still have doubts, you can ask them in the comment section. Now let us quickly find what will be the coefficients of our results. So first vertical multiplication gave us x power 4. For the second crosswise multiplication, we will be having x square multiplied by x, which will give us x cube. For the third multiplication, x square will be multiplied by x power 0, which will obviously give us x square. For the fourth crosswise multiplication, we will be multiplying x by x power 0, which will obviously give us x. For the last vertical multiplication, we will be multiplying x power 0 to itself, which will give us x power 0, which means there is no variable. Therefore, answer for this polynomial multiplication is 6 into x power 4 minus 26x cube plus 42x square minus 34x minus 12. For the next example, we will be multiplying a trinomial by a binomial. We will proceed in the same fashion as we did in the last example. Difference here is that our second polynomial does not have x square, therefore its coefficient can be regarded as 0. Rest of the process is same. I encourage you to do it by yourself so that you can have a good hold on the technique. The answer for this multiplication comes out to be 7x cubed plus 69x squared plus 59x plus 45. So this was how we can multiply polynomials really quick and easily using the Vedic mathematics. This method is far more convenient than the conventional way of multiplying polynomials. So if you understood this video, make sure you hit a like and see if you can subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.